Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I really hope that guys the videos will keep uploading and helping you out. This is the seventh video guys of me tackling the grade 10 mathematics paper 1 which was written in the year 2023 in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. If you're new to the channel, please note that there are already 6 videos before this one whereby I've answered the first 6 questions from this question paper. Just click the link on the description below. It will take you straight to the playlist with the full memorandum. You can download the question paper, answer the questions with me, and if there are things you're not sure about, please do ask on the comment section. I'll definitely come back and assist you. And another thing as well, guys, please note that your engagement is very, very vital for me. Please do like, share to your peers, and also don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Question 7. A bag contains 3 green balls and 5 red balls. The balls are placed in a bag and one is chosen at random. Determine the probability that the ball selected is a red. Okay. The probability of drawing a red ball is simply equal to the number of red balls all over the total number of balls in the sample space. How many red balls do I have? I have 5, and the sample space have a total of 8 balls. So the probability is just, you can leave it as 5 over 8, or you can write it as a decimal if you want to. The decimal is 0.625. Okay. Then 7.2, we are told that 2 events A and B are complementary, and also the probability of not A is equal to 0.25. They want us to complete the statement of the statement probability of A plus the probability of B. This simply means that since the 2 events are complementary, that means probability of A plus that of B is equal to 1. Okay, and then I must write down the value of the probability of A. Remember that I'm told that the probability of A plus the probability of not A, which is just the probability of B, by the way, this is equal to 1. Okay, I must find the probability of A, right? This is equal to 0.25 I was given. That's equal to 1. So therefore the probability of A is simply 0.75. The probability of A is simply 0.75, ne? Okay, for 2 events V and W which are not mutually exclusive are given in the following information. The probability of V is 0.5. The probability of W is 0.55. Probability of V or W is 0.8. Okay, let the probability of V and W be X. So if you're going to draw a Venn diagram here as you are being required to do so, you'll simply have 2 events, event V and event W. My drawing skills, mar. Yes, I'm second to none. Okay, I was told that the probability of V or W is 0.8, which simply means that the probability that is not V or W is simply 0.2. Are you together? So since I'm supposed to let the probability of V and W be X, it simply means that the probability of V will simply be 0.35 minus X, and the probability of W will be 0.55 minus X. Okay, now I'm supposed to determine the probability of V and W. am I supposed to find x first? Okay, I was never asked to find x. But let me just do so. I know that's 0.35 minus x plus 0.55 minus x plus 0.2 must give me 1, because the sum of all probabilities under a sample space must always be 1. Yeah? So I have 0.35 plus 0.55 plus 0.2. Did I multiply? Okay, this will give me 1.1 plus x. I'll be left with x now, with a negative x actually. Negative x, because I have these two will give me negative 2x plus 1x. That's simply negative x now. And then on the right hand side I still have 1, so negative x is equal to 1 minus 1.1 is simply negative 0.1. Then x is simply 0.1, because I'll divide both sides by a negative 1. So the Venn diagram that does not have unknowns should be like this. I'll have 0.1 over there, and then for UV W, remember that V was 0.35. I'll just subtract 0.1 from 0.35. I'll have 0.25, and then I'll have 0.45 over here and 0.2. Whenever I add all of these probabilities, I must get 1. 0.25 plus 0.1 plus 0.45 plus 0.2. I get 1. Okay, now let me answer the questions then. Since guys we were not told to find x, I'll give my answer as a numerical value and the other one in terms of x, because they were not specific in this question. Okay, they want me to determine the probability, determine the value of the probability of V and W. Yeah? So that probability of V and W is equal to x, or since we did calculate, we know that it is equal to 0.1. Okay, and then now they want us to find the probability of not V or W. The probability of not V or W, we are basically looking at, we are excluding V like this. We are just focusing on W and that part over here. So that probability will be equal to 0.55 minus x plus 0.2. Or since we've calculated the value of x, you'll simply say we are just minusing this part. The probability will be 0.45 plus 0.2, which is just 0.65. It's just 0.65, right? Okay, write down the value of V and not W. V and not W. So I'm focusing on V and not W. So basically I'm just minusing this part and that one. So I'm just looking for the probability of V only, which is just 0.35 minus X, or V only is just 0.25. That's how, guys, that's how we could have tackled question 7 from KwaZulu-Natal. And I really hope that, guys, the videos helped you out. Just stay tuned, guys. More videos are coming, I promise you. And don't forget to share to your friends, work together, assist one another, and then come and ask me. I will assist you if you need help. Thank you very much.